Okay folks, I successfully installed a new industrial strength half horsepower Leeson motor onto my Atlas quick change 54-inch lathe, and successfully wired and installed a forward and reverse switch, which will make it very easy to do threading. Let's demonstrate. Forward, stop, reverse. Yep. And that's going to be my first project here. This is going to be part of a ball turning mechanism where I can cut spherical balls out of metal, and that'll be an interesting little project. But she's ready to rock and roll. That's it for now, folks. Talk to you later.